Hey everyone, it's Akos here from TechFlow. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, this is guys the TRIBIT StormBox Micro 3. And I'm not even gonna lie, this is one of those products that actually makes sense straight away. It's small, it's super rugged, and it's clearly made for outdoors, not just sitting on a desk. So I've been using it outside, on my bike, on my backpack, and just walking around. And yeah, this is actually really solid. So let's come with me and let's see if it's worth your money or not. Let's go! So the first thing, the way you attach, it's actually really smart. You've got this built-in strap on the back and you can literally just wrap it around your bike handlebar or your bag or anything thicker, and it just locks in place. And it doesn't feel loose at all, like once it's on, it's on. But what's even cooler, it's also have a magnetic mounting. So if you're near any metal surface, you can just snap it on and it holds. I tried it on random stuff, outside, inside, in the kitchen, and yeah, it actually sticks properly. So you've got basically two ways to use it, depending on what you're doing. Now this thing is made for proper outdoor use. It's fully IP68 waterproof and dustproof, so rain, dirt, sand, even dropping it in a water, it's not gonna be an issue. And it's also built to take hits. It's rated for 1.22 meter drops and meets that mil standard, so if it falls while you're riding or just using outside, it's built for that. So you don't have to baby it at all. Now sound-wise, and this is where I absolutely surprised me. For something this small, it actually hits. And the key thing here is the XBass button. When you turn that on, the sound just changes straight away. You get way more bass, more punch, and it just feels more alive. Especially outdoors, where speakers usually sound weaker, this actually holds up really well. Here is some samples, let's check it out. The battery is also really solid. You're getting around 20 hours of playtime, which is more than enough for a full day or even longer. And charging is fast. Full charge in about 2 hours, or if you are in a rush, just 10 minutes gives you around 4 hours. So even last minute you can just top it up and go. Also, something small but actually useful, you can use this as emergency power. So if your phone is dying outside, this can give you that extra bit of charge. Not something you use all the time, but definitely nice to have. After using it properly outside, this is where it makes most sense. This is not really a desk speaker. This is for biking, walking, traveling, just being outside in the garden or whatever. You clip it on, forget about it, and it just works. And now just to keep it real, because of the size, it's not gonna replace a big speaker. You're not getting crazy deep bass like something huge. But that's not the point here. This is about portability, durability, and actually using it outside. And for that, it does a really good job. I'm honestly recommended this product, guys. And thank you TRIBIT for sending me this product over. It was a pleasure to use it, and it was the second collaboration. The first speaker was also really good, but this one, guys, that's my new favorite. I will leave the links in the description so you can check it for yourself. So it was Akos from TechFlow. It was a speaker from TRIBIT. It's a nice weather in the UK, which is really rare. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.